Bored. Okay, here you go. Red's brothers, come meet Red. Who the heck are you? I'm Broby. I'm gonna call you Old Chunks. Aw. Wait, did you mean by brothers? Bah. Hey, dude. No, not my older brothers. Want to wrestle for the Tump Bug? No thanks. Bah, bah, bah. I don't want to play your video games. Okay. Rule number 1: don't mess up the room. My room. This is my new summer house room. UFO. That's UFO. This is Yoshi. Hey, dudes. This is Blue Yoshi. Don't never bother him. This is Bert. Yay. This is Tony. Oh, yeah, we should know Tony. Yay. Here's Luigi. Yeah, I can time travel. Here's Koopa. Koopa Rain. Koopa's on day. What I like to call him. Here's my best brother, Bob. Second in place is probably Blue. Can't find Blue right now. Where are you, Blue? Bow! Taking a nap. Here's Oshawott. Yay! So, yeah.